In this video, we will learn how to DM on Instagram on computer. So let's begin. So to DM on Instagram on computer, when you try to log into your Instagram account on computer, for example, going to the instagram.com and here going to log in with your account. So for example, I'm going to log in with my account. So here we are. But you can see there is no option of direct message to anyone. So there is a trick around here that you need to install a little software to make this enable. Though it is not really little software, what you need to do is just go and download BlueStacks. So here we have BlueStacks. Just go and search for BlueStacks download. Here we are, download BlueStacks offline installer. So this is a little piece of a software that would emulate the Android system on your PC, and you can easily go and DM on your PC. So here we have downloaded it. So just go and open it. So it would take a bit of a time while opening. Till then wait a little bit. So allow the system or installer to open. This could be done on PC as well as Mac, so BlueStacks is available on both of these systems. Now here just go and accept your software license and click on install now. It is completely free and easily installable. So here what it would do is it would first download the required files, and then it would install those files. It would take a bit of a time, so I will be back when this download and installation process is near to completion. You might be getting errors like it cannot download from the internet, some issue with the internet. That is basically because your system is not compatible with the BlueStacks version, that is the latest version, that is 4.0. So what you can do is you can downgrade your version to some older version, like I have downgraded to 3.7 because I was having the same error. So I would paste this link in the description, and in case if you are having an error with this download, you can just go and download this version. So I have downloaded this one. So it's BlueStack 3. Here I would just go and install it, and you can see it has started installing it. So it would take a bit of a time. Till then we need to wait. So I would be back when this process is near to completion. So here we have successfully completed the installation, and in few moments the BlueStacks would open. So here we have BlueStacks. The installation process takes about 4 to 5 minutes depending upon your system specs. So just go and wait for the BlueStacks emulator to just open. So here we are. So close this one. Close this one. And here it is starting the engine, and it would take about 2 to 3 minutes depending upon your PC's performance. This just happens for the first time only, so you need to wait for this process to complete. You would easily be able to install your Instagram, and you will be easily able to do the DM. So here just go and agree, click. So now click on continue. In my case, I have already installed the BlueStacks, so it is using my existing information to log in. In your case, it would ask you for the email and the password, and you need to just go and enter your email and password to continue. So here, like this one. So once you have entered your email and password, just go and click on this arrow to move to the next screen. Here it says by signing in you agree with the Google terms and policies. Just go and click OK. Now it would be signing into your Google account, and this might take a few minutes. You need to wait for here. So here it is asking for the information. So if you want to check this marks, just go and enter according to your convenience. So I would be going to the next screen. Now click on next. It is really easy process. What you need to do is just go and click on next, next, next until the Android emulator just opens. So here we are. Now just go and click on my apps, and here go to your system apps. Now go to Google Play Store. Make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once you are here, you can also swipe down to check out the information, and here just go and search in for Instagram. So here we have Instagram. Open it. So here just go and click on install, and the Instagram would take a bit of a time to install it. Accept it. So the installation process would take a bit of a time, and I would be back in the meanwhile. So once you have installed the Instagram app on this emulator, that is BlueStack, just go and open your Instagram app, log in, and do the DM as you do on your phone, iPhone or Android. So it is a similar process there. So hope this video has helped you in doing your direct message or DM on Instagram on computer or PC or Mac. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.